What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on NLST ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there, how we have this massive surge in price for more than 250%. Then we will continue with the fundamentals of this company, and at the end of this video, I will show you my forecast for this price outcome. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in the limited time promo offer from WeBull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose a free stocks. Link in my description. So let's start with the price chart. As you can see, we have this massive surge in price for more than 270%. And let's turn on the log scale. And from the bottom on April the 7th, on April the 8th, this company has more than 7,200% of surging in price. And this growth is mind-blowing. So let's take a look on some fundamentals. What was the reason of this surge? And first of all, let's start with the company profile. Netlist Incorporated designs, manufactures and sells modular memory subsystems for the server, high-performance computing and communications market worldwide. And let's continue with their official website. And here is some information from this section about. Founded in 2000 and headquartered in Irvine, California, Netlist is a leading provider of high-performance modular memory subsystems to the world's premier OEMs. Netlist specializes in hybrid memory, the merging of DRAM and NAND flash raw materials to create memory solutions. And let me quote you this paragraph. Netlist holds a portfolio of patents, many seminal, in the areas of hybrid memory, storage class memory, rank multiplication, and load reduction, among others. The strength of Netlist's patent portfolio reflects its many years of research and development and track record of bringing disruptive new products to market. And I made some researches and I found that this is the main reason why this company is extremely important and it has this massive surge in price. And let me show you this. This website was created for the purpose of their patent infringement. And it's titled Google Cheated Netlist and Rose to Become One of the Most Powerful Companies on the Planet. And let me quote you this information. How did Google rise to the top of the search engine wars? Simple. Google cheated. A small company called Netlist in California developed some leading-edge computer memory technology. That technology would let computers and servers of the day access 4 times more RAM than the computer could normally access. Netlist met with Google regarding this technology. They showed the technology to Google in order that Google might license the technology from Netlist. Google didn't license it. Google stole it. Google copied it, had it manufactured and used in their servers. Google was caught with Netlist IP in their servers when the court ordered a random check of Google servers that were in operation at that time. Google with Netlist IP now had the fastest search engine on the internet and went to the leverage that speed and savings to become the giant powerful company that they are today. And this website has a bunch of information. It has a bunch of documents and related links to this process. And I have to say that the number of patent is 912, and here is the case number, and we are on pacemonitor.com. And as you can see, the case was filed on December the 4th, 2009. Then it was terminated January 26, 2011, and it was reopened on February 17th, 2021. And it is very important that for now they have very good chances to win this lawsuit and have very massive payoffs from Google. So let me give you a sneak peek on their short interest. And for now, this company, according to Fintel.io, has a short volume ratio of 54.58%. And as you can see, it is very high. From the beginning of July, it has more than 50% of short volume ratio. And according to OTC short report, it has roughly the same, basically absolutely the same numbers, and this short volume ratio is extremely high. So let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. I have to say that this surge in price is extremely powerful, and as you can see, we don't have lack of momentum, and we don't have lack of volume during several weeks from the end of June till the beginning of July. And for now we have a small decline in volume, and as you can see, according to MACD indicator, we are starting to lose the momentum, the positive momentum, and this might indicate that we might have a pullback. And of course, you have to consider that this huge volatility during last several weeks for more than 250% for this high-tech company is not a normal thing. And that's why you have to be extremely cautious with investment in this ticker. And I have to warn you that you should follow my 3 simple rules. First of all, do not put the money that you are not willing to lose. Second one, do not go all in. And third one, do not put stop loss close to your entry price. And let me show you on a 4 hours time frame, what do we have here. We have very good price action to the upside, and we don't have major retracements. The only one was right here, and let me show you how deep it was compared to the movement to the upside, and it was only to the level of 0.382, and it bounced back, and basically it unloaded this extremely overbought RSI, and then it moves higher. And this means we might continue this up movement, because for now it is extremely difficult to make an Elliott wave breakdown, but in my opinion we still have a possibility to pull back, and let me show you why I'm thinking so. Right here on a 4 hour time frame we have a bearish divergence, and bearish divergence means that we have a lower high on RSI, and we have at the same time higher high on the price action. On top of that, we have a crossover right here at this very point of MACD indicator. Right here we have a pullback to the negative side with the momentum of this stock. So let's switch to 3 hours time frame. And here we also have a bearish divergence. We have triple touch of this line by RSI, and we have absolutely the same picture on price action. On top of that, let me show you that from the bottom we also have real support, and we are nearing the apex, and in my opinion this apex should break to the downside, and this will lead to the price action to the downside as well. So let's switch to 2 hours time frame. Again, the same pattern, we have absolutely the same pattern. And 1 hour time frame, yes, the same pattern. We don't have exactly the same level of lower support. It is on a 1 hour time frame, it is a little bit lower, but we still have a bearish divergence, and we still have the apex. And on a 1 hour time frame we have a room to grow to the upside, because we are in the neutral territory, but it doesn't mean that we have to go higher. It means that we might have a small leg to the upside. It is just my opinion, guys. I have to say that I'm quite confident with this type of divergences, and you can watch my video with the MMAT ticker, or with BNGO, or with other tickers where I defined exactly to the tick the real top of the price movement. And let me show you on a daily time frame that we still have extremely overbought RSI, and we also forming a bearish divergence right here with these 2 small waves. And on a weekly time frame we also have an extremely overbought RSI. Let me delete this one. We have an RSI at the level of 93.41. This means we have more chances to unload this structure, we have more chances to go a little bit lower, and this will give you an opportunity to enter the position with this ticker. And I have to say that this company has very good chances to win the lawsuit, and this lawsuit lasts for more than a decade, as you can see, from 2009 till 2021, almost 12 years of this process. And that's why I think this company has a very good chances to have a settlement at least, or to have royalties, depending on what will be the decision of judge. And I have to say that for now it is extremely risky to enter your position at this very moment. You have to wait a pullback, because even if I'm completely wrong and even if we will go higher, the next potential leg to the upside won't be the biggest one. And as you can see, we have some kind of curvature. Let me show it to you. We have this type of price movement and we have a curvature, and this curvature should eventually hit all-time high, and then it should pull back. And let me show you what type of retracement we might have. If we pull a Fibonacci retracement from the very bottom to the very top, and let's turn off the log scale, we might have a retracement to the levels of from 0.382 to 0.65, and this sell-off might be, as you can see, for about 40 up to 46%. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it. I have to say that for now I see one more pattern, and it is extremely bearish as well. It is a rising bearish wedge, and this wedge usually breaks to the downside, and I have more chances from the technical standpoint that this ticker will have a pullback, and right after that, when we unload all the indicators, it might skyrocket again. And if this video will collect enough views and if it will collect enough likes, I will do another update with the more deeper due diligence and with the more detailed analysis. And with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!